What is up, YouTube? It is Cody back with another video. I hope everyone's having a great day. So I'm sure by the thumbnail y'all can tell I'm looking at lowering kits. So let's jump right into the video. So actually today I'm needing y'all's help. I need some opinions. I need some people that's had this to come in and comment and really let me know, because I'm really up in the air on what I want to do. I'm pretty sure I want to go with the 2.4 lowering kit, which would be 2 inches in the front, 4 in the rear. I'm thinking about the Belltech, or either I'm thinking of just lowering the rear 2 inches just to level it out. But I'm leaning more towards the actual lowering kit. Now the kit I'm looking at is, I believe, $299, okay? And that's using your factory shocks. But does this kit come with everything that you need? I mean, is there anything else I need other than that $299 kit? I mean, I know I'm gonna have to need an alignment afterwards, but so I'm running a 24 by 10 wheel and wanting to do the 2.4. So will it work? I know it'll work because I've seen that have run the same exact wheel setup that I do have, and I know it'll work. But is the $299 kit worth it? And is it gonna make, how's it gonna ride? It's been a while since I've lowered a vehicle, several years. So I'm just really up in the air on kind of like, I don't know if I need to spend the money on maybe a little bit better quality lowering kit. I can still go with the Belltech and just go with the different level that comes with shocks, and I forget what all else it comes with. But either way, I'm needing your guys' help. I mean, y'all please comment below, let me know. I'm really trying to figure out what I want to do here. I'm pretty sure I want to go with the 2.4 for sure, without a doubt. More than likely that's what I want. I really think the 2.4 will look so much better. But again, is it worth it? That's my main question. This is where I really need y'all's help on this, and let me know if there's any of y'all that have a Dodge Ram with 24s. Mine's a 2018 Ram, but is this $299 kit gonna work? Is it everything I need? Thank you for everyone that stops by and views the channel. It really means a lot. Whether you're a subscriber or you're not a subscriber, it means a lot for y'all to click and watch my videos. I just want y'all to know that I'm very blessed to be doing this and have this opportunity. So again, thank you to everyone. And if you're as pumped about seeing this build as I am, and y'all ready to watch this thing grow and watch all the mods as I go, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video.